What happens when a penny stock jumps 62% in a single session? You get $VATE. Today's most explosive rocket. But here's the thing. Massive volume. Catalysts that matter. And levels we can actually trade. Let's break down the 5 biggest pre-market movers for August 7th, 2026. And show you exactly where the opportunities are hiding. Welcome back to Pre-Market Rockets. Today's aftermarket session revealed 5 major movers that screened through our AI momentum scanner. We're looking at scores ranging from 75 down to 52. With catalysts ranging from news-driven dividend announcements to earnings beats and strategic partnerships. This is the kind of session that separates information traders from everyone else. Let's get into it. Starting with number 1. $VATE. Scoring a 75 out of 100 on our momentum scale. This is an explosive tier move. The catalyst. DBM Global announced a cash dividend. And the market is rewarding it hard. We're up 62.6%. Trading at $12.052. Volume is absolutely insane. 28 million shares. 2.0x relative volume on a small 10.9 million share float. That's the kind of pressure that creates squeeze dynamics. For entry. Re-momentum and catalyst alignment. Number 2. QNST. Our strong tier with a 64 out of 100 score. QNST reported bullish Q2 earnings for calendar 2026. And the stock is up 39.2%. Entry at $21.19. With targets at $21.28 and $31.785. Stop loss at $20.9508. This one has a bigger float at 46 million shares. Which means the move is driven by genuine institutional interest in the earnings story. Not just retail fren. S is a quality earnings bounce. Third position. $CELZ. A mover tier score of 56. Creative Medical Technology won a key patent. And shareholders are celebrating with a 20% move. This ticker screams volatility. 127 million shares traded on a 3 million share float. That's 42x the float. Entry at $1.3798. Targets at $1.3911 and $1.455. Stop at $1.31. This is the kind of penny stock action where news catalysts create mass. N happen just as fast as the breakouts. Fourth. $DSY. Another strong tier at 55 points. No recent catalyst news. But the stock is still up 31.3% on momentum alone. That tells us something. Either there's institutional accumulation happening under the radar. Or we've got shorts covering into momentum. Entry at $4.53. Targets at $4.6152 and $5.015. Stop at $4.41. Volume is strong at 52 million shares on a 3.8 million. Already pricing in expectations. Final rocket. $EXFY. Scoring a 52 on our momentum scale. EXFY jumped 38.1% after Citizens upgraded the stock from market perform to market outperform. This is the definition of a technical bounce on good news. Entry at $2.7349. Targets at $2.08 and $4.1024. Stop at $2.7322. Volume is lighter here at 5.8 million shares. But that's relative to the 67.4 million share float. This on. Here's what to watch for tomorrow. First. Does $VATE hold above its target 1 level of $12.07? If the dividend narrative stays intact, this could run to target 2 at 20 DOLLAR 4698. Second, watch $QNST for earnings conference call commentary. That'll either accelerate the move or trigger profit taking. Third, the biggest risk is $CELZ. That float multiple situation is unsustainable. If volume dries up even slightly, reversals happen fast for $DSY and EXFY. Look for institutional follow-through. If institutions are indeed accumulating, we should see bigger block purchases on any dips. These are the confirmations that separate luck from actual setups. That's where the real edge is. Every day we scan 12,000 plus stocks to find the biggest pre-market rockets before they explode. Subscribe and hit the bell so you catch tomorrow's movers first. See you then. Want deeper analysis on these positions? Real-time alerts? And the exact scanner we use to find these movers before the crowd does? Head over to TDVW.com. That's where we keep our full library of pre-market research and live trading alerts. Join us tomorrow for the next edition of Pre-Market Rockets.